Good morning. I have had the best time ever on my trip. Springfield, Indiana, my friend Mike. But today I hit the road and I'm on my way back home. I made a 2-hour detour. I know something that probably a lot of you don't know, which is Sweet Lorraine's in Cleveland, Ohio. It's pretty much the Kitsch Mecca of East/Midwest. If you know a place that's kitschier, please drop it in the comments. Let me know, because I will go there. In the meantime, this was totally worth the 2-hour detour. Oh my gosh, how horrible would it be if it was actually closed? I just realized I should have double checked. Okay, it's open. I drove 4 hours straight to get here. Kitsch-tastic all the way. Let's go in and see what they've got. It's been years since I've been here. I've only been here once, and it was before I had YouTube, so this is the first time I get to experience it with you. Also, my bangle swag is epic today. All right, now check this out. This is what happens as soon as you walk in. I do remember the prices here were a little bit more like collectors, but it's the most curated collection of kitsch I've ever seen. Like, I love that planter back there, that drumming elf. You're gonna see stuff that you've probably never seen before. Oh my God, like that. Dude, look at that. And like, I just looked up. Look, I have not gone even 2 feet. Look at this. This is amazing. Okay, like, check this out. Dude, what? Look at those orange ones. I've never even seen those in that color before. I've only seen it in like olive. Oh, bangles galore. Oh my gosh, look at that necklace. Dang, dude. The horse, the panic button, that's hilarious. I am kind of curious about that orange horse, though. It's pretty epic. And, like, that yellow one, not to mention everything else, but, like, what? The orange. Oh, my gosh, what is that belt? I see the pear and this yellow bangle, too. Thank you. Okay, like what? It's just like a giant everything I like tray, but also the seashell ladies. I have to be mindful to like remember that I'm buying for you, not me. Oh my gosh. Like all the micro mosaic, look at that little plate. Just like also this. Dude, what? Oh my gosh, it's a bag of dice. What? Oh my gosh. What is that lamp? Yo, what? This. How much is this? Oh my gosh, the whale is amazing. But this, $65. That's amazing. Dude. Italian spaghetti. Look at this TV lamp. That's $100. I'm not, like, I'm not crying. You're crying. Like, look at all the elves. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Can't see what the tag says on those. Here's another piece I've never seen before, which is gonna be like a common occurrence here. Did somebody say lamps? Dude, look at all these. This is amazing. 55. Dude. Amazing. 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 Oh, wow. Look at this one. That's so cool. Dude, look at these sunglasses. Wow. Magazines. clocks, the art, like literally everything happening here. I'm very overstimulated. At least I had some idea of what I was walking into. Now over here, now I am like very tempted to not pick up anything I've ever seen or had before here. I feel like I have to be super picky. Oh my gosh, this duck rattle though. Stop it right now. The best things come in small packages. Stop it right now. Look at Santa rattle. Oh my gosh. And then, oh, yeah, I think I'm gonna just do 2 scans. I'm gonna have to take a break at some point. This is a lot to soak in. Oh my gosh. Look at this turtle, dude. That's amazing. Epic. This is very cool. Oh my gosh, the decanter is amazing. This is very cool. How much is this one? 48. That's really pretty. Oh, I see one that sticks out. It's this. 26. Glad. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love the color on that. Look at the lamb. 18. That's not bad. You get 3 for 18. But like, also those poodles. Dude, what? And in case you're wondering what's happening behind me, it's a lot of this. Yeah. Wow, wow, wow. Oh. Fish. Oh my gosh, the mice. That's at 32. This is so fantastic. Now, I have to remember that I drove a Fiesta here. So I can only fit so much. That lamp, dude. That's amazing. Yeah, epic, epic. What is this? As is, that's really different. All right, this has my attention. $60. Is that for the pair or each? 2. That is not out of the question, actually. The inner Coke lantern, $32. Is it cracked? Dude, what? A Little Mermaid. That's Royal Copenhagen. These are amazing. They're leather bound on the bottom too. Oh my gosh, these are my favorite. These mugs always have hairlines. I can already see this one does. $12 as is, yeah. What about this one? 24. I feel like I could make a couple bucks off that, maybe. I'm gonna have to do 2 rounds here for sure. Oh my God, I have arrived. Yes. $8, that's mine. 10. Is that a freaking hippo earring holder? It is. Dude, I really want that. Oh, look at the heart one. 15, what is this? Rings and things. The lion is awesome too. $20, it's definitely retail. Metal bangles, not really my thing. And these shoes kind of different. Italy, interesting. Oh my God, the egg boxes. I want that one. It's kind of like that rock face I got when I was with Mike. All right, moving on. Oh, look at this guy. just gonna take both hands. In case you're wondering why I sped through back there, it's because I know what's around this corner. And it's a lot, and it goes way back. Also this lamp. Oh my gosh. Paradise. Oh, that's so pretty, but I've seen it before. As Adam said to Eve. I love stuff like this. And also fiber optic. That's great. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I have to send a picture of this to Mike. All right, let's see. Kicking around in nameless place, Oklahoma. Washington, D.C., Rockport. Oh, so amazing. Got a kick out of Las Vegas. Dude, I just bought all the feet. What's going on in these? I made an impression at, that's kind of hilarious. As is. I kind of like that it's as is. Atlantic City. Niagara Falls, Puerto Rico. We got a kick out of Texas. I got a kick out of Las Vegas. That's amazing. But also the head base situation is out of control. Angels. It's just very overwhelming, honestly. Look at the ashtrays. All right, wait, there's so many feet here. Oh my gosh. Your feet must last a lifetime. Oh, my God, I'm like freaking out right now. Look at that ashtray. That foot ashtray is very expensive though. Wow. So I think the way I'm gonna do this is I'm gonna go through everything and then I'm gonna go through cases on the way back. Wow, that's awesome. I love the color on that. Yeah, I'm gonna go through everything just so I kind of have like a better idea of what I'm getting into. So far I've only spent $40, so I get a round of applause. Yeah, it's just like, what? Oh, I love these. I had those not that long ago, actually. First of all, sexy gifts. Yes, please. $20. See, this is the kind of stuff I have. Oh my gosh, this is so great. I have like literally 100 gag gifts in my, literally 100 gag gifts in my kitchen right now that I got in an auction that Dagny sent me. So I shouldn't be buying more. But the risque stuff is honestly one of my biggest weaknesses. This is hilarious. Oh my gosh. Look at this towel. How much is that? $9? Well, that's happening. Look at this. Wait and see. What's the one with the devil on it? Oh, hell. $16. Oh, hell scorecard. That's interesting. I've never seen that before.